Welcome you guys. Today's video we're going to go over how many profitable products we can find within a time limit period. So come follow along, because if you want to learn how to make money online via selling on Amazon FBA, you can certainly do this. We're going to do the strategy with zero out of pocket, so that way you can certainly follow along. All you need is a computer and an internet. That's all you need. So let's go ahead and do this. And by the way, at the end of the video, we're gonna break down how much we have made within this time limit period that we had challenged. So let's go ahead and dive right into it.
So we have 10 minutes here and see how many products we can find within the period and how much we can make within that period as well. So let's go ahead and get this challenge started. Got my timer right here and we're gonna hit start. Bam. It's going right now, so let's go ahead and switch. We're here at google.com, 10 seconds into the timer. Let's not waste any more time. We're gonna start to where I have an advantage because I am familiar with clothing, shoes, apparel, so on and so forth. For example, if you are a female, you might be familiar with more makeup products and beauty and all that stuff. So again, your advantage is gonna be what you are familiar with. So really think about that, and that's gonna be like your niche to start sourcing. So let's go ahead and go to Nike right over here. What's a really nice strategy is go over the sales department. So whatever website you want to go source and find products, a good way to start is going through the sales section, because those items are already going to be discounted from the retail price. So we have a lot of margin that we can get a leg up on. So right off the bat here, what you want to do is, if you are not familiar, you can absolutely go one by one on each item until you find one. Let's go ahead and try this free run right here. I used to actually have this shoe, so I know it's a good product to sell right here. 20% off normally from 100. So what we'll do next normally is I'll just copy this right here. I'm at 30 into it. Go ahead and paste that right there. Nike sneaker free run. All right, so we have the gray and the black on sale for $80, $79.97. So they pretty much have all the sizes here available. Let's go with 9. See what we got here. 101, 79. Let's see what else we can find here. Let's see who's got the highest price. All right, we found one right here. Size 7 women. All right, just want to confirm, size 7 right here. All right, so what we're gonna do next, once we find that, is we are gonna see how much profit we're gonna be taking, because that is important. So Amazon profit calculator. So this is from Amazon itself. It's the most accurate profit right here. So you can see it's the #1 search revenue calculator, and you can just continue as a guest. We're going to search Amazon catalog, and if you want to pay attention right here, you want to copy this. This is called the ASIN. All right, so you want to copy that ASIN right there. All products, whatever size you will, just look for that ASIN. Usually starts with a B. So we'll go ahead and copy that through the search products. And as you can see right here, it pops up. This is really important because it's going to show you the ranking and category of the item. The lower the rank, the faster it will sell. So this one's ranked 25,000. It's really good under clothing and category jewelry. So as you can see, the whole calculator there. Amazon has their fees of $19. They obviously want to take part of their share. So let's go ahead and plug in $80 there for the cost of goods sold. And right after that, you're getting a net profit margin of $16.91. So if you go ahead and, for example, purchase 10 of those, 16.91 times 10, made $169 just like that. But let's go ahead and double check, see how many units it sells per month before you go ahead and pull the trigger. So really good software is called Jungle Scout Estimator. All right, so we are here at Jungle Scout, and once we Jungle Scout, we're gonna head and grab that sales rank of 25,000 under United States. That's we are selling, and we're gonna do clothing, shoes, and jewelry because that is the category. So once you do estimate the sales, you can see 1,100 sales per month. So you can go ahead and purchase as many units as possible on this. You can try different sizing as well. So we found size 7 right here. So that way you can make the profit. And again, we're making $16.91 per item on this shoe right here, with selling $124. And we're using the Amazon sales estimator to find that. That is product number 1. Let's go ahead and see if we can find more right here. We have about 3 to 4 minutes left on the timer. So that is the sale. Again, you can browse through men, women, kids. You can say shoes and all that stuff. So let's try a different category here. Let's go with the shoes. And one tip you want to do as well is you want to look for best seller in terms of these items, because if they're a bestseller in Nike, most likely they're going to be a bestseller on Amazon, and it's going to have a low ranking. So let's see if we can find a bestseller here. Sustainable material, very nice. Not see any bestseller, you guys. That's one right here. We're going to open up a tab on that one. Another one. I'm just scrolling through, see if we can find. All right. So Nike Air Max. Again, same thing as earlier. Copy and paste. We're going to go ahead and see if it shows up on Amazon. Air Max kids. How much is that? 93. So that's men, the big kid. So this one is showing the gray one. See if there's any listing with the gray. The gray is not on sale, so you got to be careful which one. This one looks like it's the only one that's on sale. So, I don't see any other colors available. Let's go back. That's only red. Huh. What's the name of this? Honeydew pink. That's pink salt. Okay. All right, let's try the other one. All right, we got the blazer right here. And which one's on sale? The laser blue. Let's see if any other listings. All right, it's actually cheaper right here. The blue and habanero red. So let's go ahead and copy that. Paste it in. Casual. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and find that color. It's the blue with the red. Blue with red. All right, so here we are, the same listing it looks like, and they have 3.5, 4, 4.55 as available size. Let's go ahead and hit the 5, which is the biggest right here, and that's 119, and we can buy it for 57. So go ahead and copy that ASIN as earlier. Usually starts with a B. Revenue calculators. And we're going to go ahead and paste it like what we did earlier. Rinse and repeat. Bam. Wow. This one's a good, excellent ranking as well. 22,000. So this one's 25. This ranking is probably going to be even better. All right. A little bit better. 1,200. So that's an indicator. It's a great seller right there. And this one, you definitely get more profit because we can buy this for 57 bucks. You would make $36.80 on each of this item with a net margin of 30%. You guys, it's out here. And again, this might seem easy to you because I've been doing it, you know, pretty much every day with sourcing, but this is something that you can certainly develop and you can keep on doing it. And again, opportunities out there. There's so many products in Amazon that you can go through any categories that you'd like, that you are familiar with, and start going. All right, guys, we actually went over the timer. It's 12 minutes here, but nonetheless, we have found 2 profitable products, 2 out of 3, because this other one, the Nike Air, wasn't on the listing. But again, the last one was really pretty much a home run. We're making $36 a piece, so you can purchase, I believe, 10 maximum on Nike. So 10 of that and 10 of the other shoe, and there you are. Wow, a lot of hard work right there. Nonetheless, we did go over our time limit of 10 minutes. We were like around 13.
The first product we had found was the Nike Women Free Run. That is at $16.91. The second one was the Blazer Kids 77 at $36. Hypothetically, if you were gonna purchase 10 units of each, and that brings your total to around $537. Not bad, right? So it may have seemed a little bit easier. However, this took a lot of time beforehand to build the skill up. It's not gonna come overnight. It's basically just shopping for deals, what we can find in order to sell on Amazon FBA. And the possibilities out there, you know, you can work anywhere you like as long as you have internet and a computer. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, click on these videos here. Click on these videos if you want to learn how to sell